Hey, this is Mark Gupp, and I'm standing in front of my newest listing in South Portland at 11 Kent Road, and that is coming on the market this week. I think you're going to absolutely love it. And quiet dead-end street. Why don't we head inside? And as we come in, you'll see there to the left, you've got this really nice front to back living room with a wood burning fireplace and hardwood floors. And right off this room is a great den, home office, hangout space, which I think is really a nice spot. And of course, we've got our Maine flag here, which is nice. But isn't this a cozy room? I love the pine boards on the walls and the ceiling. I think you will too. And we'll circle around into the kitchen. You have a gas stove and updated cabinets. And through that door is the garage. We're not going to go in the garage. You need to come to the open house or set up a showing for that. And you have your dining room right over in here. Great natural light. And you have a built-in cabinet as well. So pretty cute spot. Why don't we head upstairs and we'll look at the bedrooms. And as we come up the stairs, you're going to find to the immediate right is the primary bedroom. And you have 4 windows in here on 3 sides. So it certainly gives you a lot of natural light throughout the whole day. You've got hardwood floors and 2 closets. And please note the nice glass knobs throughout. Really, I think that's one of the benefits of these older homes is all the character. And in the bathroom, you've got the black and white tile, got a single vanity. And I'm gonna have you take a look at the shower area here. It's a tub, and it all has the nice subway tile. And as we head out of the bathroom, we're going to check out the second bedroom. And this has a closet and 2 windows, and ideal for a twin bed and a dresser. And then we've got the third bedroom here. This is a little bit bigger than the last one. And this room has 2 closets and just, again, hardwood floors, 3 windows in here, and plenty of space for furniture. So why don't we head down to the basement, and then after that, we'll go outside. And as I come down to the basement, you'll see we got our washer and dryer here, and we also have a double utility sink, plenty of room for storage, and your natural gas furnace, which is about 10 years old. And we did do a pre-inspection on this house like we do on all of our listings. We did a pre-inspection, a sewer line, and a radon test. So please have your realtor send that information to you. If you are not working with a realtor, give me a call and we will send that information to you. And down here, not a fancy basement, but certainly a really cool hangout space. So someone could keep it as is, or they might want to add some sheetrock and that sort of thing, but just a nice hangout space. Now we can head outside. I think you're going to love the backyard. And we've got a special treat for you out there too. So our special treat for the day is Clover. Super cute bunny. Hi. Do you want to come get a picture of his face here? He's super, super cute. Clover is not staying. He's going with the family here. But you can see how nice the yard is. You've got some raised garden beds, beautiful lilacs. They will be even more beautiful once they bloom. And hopefully it won't be raining when you come look at the house. And a great spot for friends to hang out in. And again, give me a call if you want to see the house. If you're not working with a realtor, if you are working with a realtor, give them a call. My name is Mark, and my last name is Gupp, and my phone number is 207-232-6127. Appreciate you watching the video. Thanks.